I spotted this little machine in an old wares shop, sitting next to some rusty rabbit traps and broken tools, and was quite intrigued as to what it was. And investigating, decided indeed it was some sort of sewing machine, but I thought it was incomplete. There was no cover on here, which I was expecting, and I was disappointed there was no bobbin with it. It also wasn't moving, but I thought, righto, nice little ornamental piece. I'll just have to have that. Brought it home, a little bit of sewing machine oil and investigating. And yes, it is indeed a child's sewing machine, cast iron, and it was made by the company of Friedrich Muller, who was in Berlin, Germany. Around about 1888, he started producing toy sewing machines. This is his largest model, a number 12, and it may have even been used by adults as a little machine to take travelling. Who knows? But it now moves freely. And what a little ripper. Unfortunately, the plate here is very pitted. It's got the function of being able to move the foot to one side when you're sewing. And this little screw here. There's a little tin compartment with a couple fabric guides there, so they're hidden away. The lovely gold transfers of showing the effect of time, but still quite pretty. I'll show you the back. That's the back of it. So, indeed, a gorgeous little machine, just a real little beauty. Delighted to rescue it.